Samsung released an update for Wonderland that will now allow support for always on display, and I can tell you can see from here it's really amazing. All the effects do work, right? Not only on the home screen, on the lock screen, and yes, indeed, when you go inside the always on display, and then the effect will really stop at some point. It's just amazing. I really love it, and I don't think this is gonna come to the S23. But to learn more, just keep watching the full video, guys. And if you like videos like this, you wanna might support the channel. Thanks so much. Let's start. Samsung released an update for Wonderland version 1.5.05, which now supports the full screen AOD. Very important to say, this will only be available on the Galaxy S24 series. In fact, S24 on Twitter already showed a video where he has access to One UI 6.1 on the S23 Ultra, and he's confirming that some features from S24 like the full screen AOD, screen vividness, photo super HDR camera algorithm will not make its way to the older device, which is the S23, which is actually quite sad, but it is what it is. So besides the new full screen AOD now support within the Wonderland, which I'm gonna show, there is also the support of a new lock screen effect called Slide. And also, guys, there is an update to clock face, introducing support for new fonts, added a weather item, and support for frames of images, including GIFs or GIFs. I also installed this on my Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here, this is the updated change lock, improve usability to prevent conflicts between its settings. So this is to make sure that Wonderland and lock style work seamlessly together when you're manipulating certain similar elements under One UI 6.1. This here is the version indeed, 1505 from 12th of March, is 85 megabytes. This is the clock face with the extended change lock, and this is the clock face version. So what I'm gonna show you right now, guys, I have already installed all the latest version here on my phones. So I'm gonna go inside Good Lock. Also, so that you're not confused, this is the S23 Ultra, this is the S24 Ultra, and I know I'm confused myself sometimes. It's the same phone, right? But not. So let's just first test this new thing. So we're gonna be creating a different lock screen effect, so let's choose here. All right, let's just try to go and choose this one. This is kind of like the same. Getting ready. I want to see now here this new slide thing. So home lock AOD settings will be changed. We pretty much see right now it works 100% the same. I'm gonna click edit. I'm gonna click edit here. I want to see what the options are. So apparently this is the picture, a lock screen and AOD. A lock screen and AOD also shown here. Okay. Second thing is gonna be the effect. So right now, guys, it is still the same effect. This is the blur effect. Okay, we can go and choose hexagon. And if we go now to the right, we're gonna see that the slide effect apparently also is available for the One UI 6. This is still One UI 6, by the way. So let me just go and use slice. I think a slice is cool one. All right, and then we got a bunch of other settings. So this is the effect settings, absolutely one and the same. Speed, style, size, direction, speed, style, size, direction. Although, by the way, you can see that this bar, this whole thing is a bit bigger. I don't know why. And this here, guys, allows you the option to save it. If you want to save it, let's just press save, save. All right, and now I'm gonna click set as wallpaper, set and wallpaper. So now if I just go back, right, I'm gonna see I have now a new wallpaper. By the way, pay attention, guys, there is also this new zoom in zoom out effect. So pay attention, the moment I go outside, I like the One UI 6.1 better, the animation zoom in zoom out. I hope that this will also be there. Now invoking the home screen. All right, invoking the home screen with the always on display. I have here the new function showing the lock screen wallpaper. If I am to remove that one, guys, I'm gonna go back. And now, okay, I hopefully should have same thing, right? But no, it's not the same. So let's now choose that dock. Okay, choosing the dock. Let me try to edit it. Okay, let me try to edit it as well. So screen off. Okay, see, this is the screen off and screen on animation. Here, right, it should be different, but I have something telling me, hey, before setting the wallpaper, please check your AOD setting. Please check if AOD is turned on. Please check if show option is always or auto. Please check if show lock screen key wallpaper is on. Without the proper settings, some transition might not work. So show lock screen paper is on, so I need to make sure that the AOD is turned on. It's set to always and show lock screen. So I'm gonna go here, all right, and let's try to do it on auto, right? So I do believe right now I have all the settings done. Okay, so now screen off, all right, screen on and screen off should be kind of the same. Let me now go back on my home screen. I'm gonna lock both phones. All right, see, we have this nice, all right, effect. So now we have the lock screen, a lock screen here as well. And now we're gonna go to the always on display, all right? Always on display, and yeah, pretty much works in the same way. I now created a new wallpaper with some very nice practical effects. By the way, here guys, you have to check the options really are unlimited. So you have so many motion effects. You can click here and you can select a practical preset like I did, like rain, heavy rain, or okay, let me show you, like this is going to be the heavy rain. This is really incredible, so many options that you have. So the moment now you save this one, I can just try to save it, guys, and I'm going to show you something very interesting. You can now set it up as a wallpaper and you will appear like only home screen or both home screen and lock screen, guys. So now I'm going to go outside and you can just see how beautiful it is. All right, this is now my lock screen and you can see it really works fantastic. And this is the biggest differences, guys, because right now I'm on my lock screen and boom, this here works on the always on display. All right, and it's cool because I'm gonna show this one more time. The moment I go inside the lock screen, Wonderland will work. So I'm gonna have like this heavy rain, but here it's cut off. Here I still have it for a moment before it dies, and it's really amazing. Boom. So I guess this is one of the changes. I really hope you like it, and again, there are really plenty of options for you to customize it. So let me just show you one more so that you pretty much know what is the power. I'm gonna go inside the Wonderland. I'm going to select Alice. Okay, I'm gonna click edit here. I'm gonna click edit here as well. I'm gonna go click here. Now this time I'm gonna choose another preset. So this time, guys, I am gonna go and I'm gonna choose the bubbles. So I'm choosing bubbles here. I can also preview them, right? You can see them. And I can click another one. By the way, I can add another one, right? So let's just go and let's just click the practical preset and add some rain. So I'm gonna click here as well, adding some rain. Now I have rain inside. It really looks nice. Now I can of course save this one. So save it, okay? Save. And then, guys, I'm gonna be able to set it up as the wallpaper for my home and also my lock screen. And I'm gonna show you guys what happens, right? Everything works quite nicely when I'm on my home screen. Double tap would get me to my always on display. And this is the biggest difference, as you guys see. Lock screen, boom, always on display with the AOD Wonderland and with some nice rain, and it really looks amazing. And then it stops. I really love it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.